Okay, so let's see what you remember from Friday. The first thing we need to do is to label the three main parts of the Earth. If we start from the interior of the Earth and work our way out, we would label the core, which is broken into two sections, the mantle, which has three main sections, and then the crust. So pause this and label those. Geologists break the core into two parts, the inner core and the outer core. So color the inner core red, label the state of matter and the composition. So in this diagram, I've labeled and colored the inner core, and then I've labeled the state of matter as solid and the composition as iron and nickel. Now pause the video and shade the outer core orange, label it outer core, label the state of matter and the composition. Pause the video. So when you labeled the outer core, you should have labeled the state of matter as a liquid and the composition as iron and nickel. So the core is made of iron and nickel, but there are two layers. The inner core is solid and the outer core is liquid. So now we're going to work our way up toward the crust, but before we get to the crust, we have to go through the mantle. So the first thing you need to do is color the lower mantle yellow, the middle mantle light brown or tan, and the upper mantle dark brown. So label and color the three main layers of the mantle and pause the video while you do that. The lower mantle is the bottom part of the mantle. Then above that is the middle mantle. And then above that is the upper mantle. So now you should see a bracket with the middle and the lower mantle, and that is called the mesosphere. So label the mesosphere.